What's up, everybody? Got the KLX300 dual sport here, and I just got the KDX snorkel from Rocky Mountain ATVMC. I ordered it for a 2002 KDX300, so I'm going to go ahead and get it out of the pack. You can see the part number there. Get it out of the pack and put it in. Little dirty under here. Got this hook tool. I'm going to jam in here and pop this out. Now, I already have, you can see this is my factory when it's trimmed. I cut about that much off. It was like this one. You can see the whole difference. I even have a little bit trimmed off of here. This was longer. Fits right in the same hole. Now you can see too, I actually put these little unifilter, I drilled this out and put these little unifilter holes in, which I can see one of my little filters has fallen out. Look, that's supposed to have a freaking filter in it. The hell did that go? Must be in the bottom of the air box. See if I have another one. Right there's what they are. UFV-6 little air vents. But this little piece of foam must have fallen out down in the air box. I'll have to get it out when I change the air filter next time. Alright, it has a little groove in it. Just got to push it down and get it in the... Now you could take this off. Take this off so you could see if it was in from underneath, but I'm not going to worry about that because I'm a big boy. Just push that bitch down in there. Probably better to start with the front first. Just want to make sure you get it in that little groove. It's probably hard to see with the camera here, but see, this is not in yet, and this is in. Just go around and make sure that's all in. You can reach inside and give it a push. Okay, that all feels good. Throw the seat back on, good to go. Like, share, subscribe. Get your ass on the bike, get outside.